the Z900RS. I think it's a Jaffa, the brown orange for those people who don't know what the Jaffa is. This is how they come off the truck, in the crate, in a cardboard box straight out of Japan. And there's usually a strap here, we just cut that off. I'm going to show you what they look like. Hey Josh, here's him, Richard's son. Quite busy. Oh, I can rip it out. There she is. Getting what I call getting born. Getting born. Here, this is how it goes. That's all solid crated. You can stack them on top of each other. So basically that looks like it's really just about ready to go. What do you, I just asked the guy, what do you, well you make these, don't you?
Yep.
Cameraman, what do? You put some mirrors on it?
Yep, put the front windscreen.
Oh, no, they don't have windscreens.
No, these ones, no.
These ones?
Yeah, that's basically it.
Put the mirrors on.
Yep.
And unbox them, pull out the boxes. We recycle all these, obviously. That's cool. Put petrol in them. They don't have petrol when they come in, obviously. There's no fuel, but there is oil. So there's oil in it there. Keys are in the ignition. Ready to rock and roll. There's a battery in it, but it's not hooked up, so hook the battery up as well. They're really stable. So yeah, so there we go. You've seen one, how it comes, and I'll take a few pics on the way through the build. Let him go. What tools are you using, mate? Snap-on. What do you call that thing? A snap-on? Impact driver. Impact driver. That's the impact that the Z900 has on everyone, isn't it? Drives the impact. I don't know. Got to say something, otherwise I'll turn off. Look at this end. Oh, he's going himself. Here, mate.
Got it?
Yep. We got it. There's our truck, bikes and stuff. So we usually chuck them in the Sims metal bin. But I've got a camera in one hand, so I won't. Let him go. When I do this, I'll fast forward it all, so you're not, so it sort of goes. Imagine what that sounds like fast forwarded.
Make it look like I'm doing it.
Yeah, look how fast he goes. Beautiful. Off with the sock. Gentle, gentle. Looks like the box of, that's got the mirrors and bar ends in it in there. It's pretty cool.
Guys, look at that. So yep, back in stock, the gaffer. You have your fingers so you know exactly what size the bowl is. You just go. I'm like the doctor who clamps the umbilical cord, or the dad comes in and, oh yeah, Dr. G, I know what happens in a birthing suite, do you? Comes in, clamps, you clamp, you cut the cord, they bring it over and go, here you go, and you chop the cord off your bum, and then your fucking life changes forever. Have to do that, you stuff all the things in your hand, you don't do that. Same size, isn't it? Right. Oh, yep. 20 rows down. You can get one on the end of that. Get the impact and get fucking stand on the other and hold it. Just under pressure, it's not camera. Oh, that's right. You want me to hold that? Oh, that needs to spin it around there.
Oh, look at that. That's bloody ripper. You right? Cleared the area?
Hope so.
I hope so, that's good to say. Mate, you're about to be watched by thousands of people doing this. There we have it. The Z900. Can you film this bit? Cameraman. There we go. So this is it. Straight out of the crate. You saw it all happen. It's got to chuck some mirrors on it. Comes with a little shower cap on the seat for the missus if you want that. So yeah, all beautiful, pristine. Take it off, ready to rock and roll. So it just come back into stock. They're very limited still. Oh, and you're going to put bar ends on it as well. So yeah, they're very limited. They've just come back in for the 2019 run. They are limited. They're a limited number in Australia. So if you want your Jaffa colours, give us a buzz. Up here at Maroochydore on the sunny coast, we can deliver Australia-wide, whatever you like. Here we go. And keep an eye out for our Jaffa Cafe that we're building somewhere around here, and the Z1B and the blue replica that I'm doing as well. So keep an eye out for those guys. This is how it's done. Thanks for watching. Keep it on and subscribe. Have a look. We're going to do some really good stuff as well. So maybe we'll have to go in the next one. Unpacking the what's that, Vulcan S. Show the Vulcan S too.